my channel. Today we're going to be making slime. Today I have a very special guest. This is Nancy.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hello.
Okay, so first we're gonna be doing 3 slime methods. We're gonna do fluffy slime, supposedly butter slime, and clear slime. So first off, we got our mixing stuff. You want to do it with us? You can do it with us. A mixer, a bowl, and yeah. So first slime we're gonna be doing is the fluffy slime. So you need 1 cup of Elmer's school glue. Put this in this measuring cup. You need to measure it with. You need 1 cup. 1 cup of glue.
That wasn't me. 1 cup.
Maybe it depends on how much slime you want.
Oh, 1 cup's a lot.
Oh, my slime would be good. Okay, so you're gonna pour that in.
Ooh.
That looks so cool. Oops.
Boy, that glue takes a bit.
There's a big chunk in there. I'll use my mixer to get it out. How was your weekend, guys? Good?
My weekend was good. I do miss the summer though.
Yeah. I'm going to Rhode Island.
27.
The 27th.
Thank you.
Yay! So it hasn't happened yet. We're just talking about my cat's birthday. It's on October 27th.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now you're gonna, okay, then we're done. We're gonna add 1 cup of shaving cream again.
Oh boy.
You could do like, you don't have to.
Wow.
Ooh.
Have fun with it. There it goes.
This is not coming out.
Hmm.
Come out. Come out, come out, come wherever you are. Yay! Okay.
That's a lot of weight.
Now you're gonna mixy, twirling, mixy until your hands fall off.
Hmm. Smells like shaving cream and
And
glue.
then you can add food coloring if you want to. Today I'm gonna make a
Oh, let's
pink
guess.
slime.
Oh, pretty pink.
Or like a red. I don't know what color it's gonna turn out. Okay.
Some shade of pink and red.
Mixy until your hands fall off. Again.
Oh boy.
Oh, this is like a really good pink.
Yes. It's very, it's a pastel pink.
Okay. So now that you're done, you can add an activator.
Oh
Lots of
boy.
it.
Oh boy. How do you know how much? That seems like a
don't
lot.
know.
That's a lot of activator.
I need lots of activator.
That's a lot of activating.
If it starts coming together good, that means you have good activator. You could also just add more shaving cream. Make it 2. My consistency is chunky.
My consistency is chunky too. Get it? Chunky. Yeah.
Smack you.
Oh
I'm
boy.
gonna mix it. Oh,
It's almost time for
make
the...
sure to keep your sleeves up. Sleeves up. Up, up, up.
Oh, let's see.
Ooh, this is good.
It sounds good.
I got 1 little bit.
Don't be afraid of it.
1. Mixy. This is like my favorite part of making slime. Mixing it.
What's a good stress reliever, especially after a long Monday?
How's your Monday, guys? Or whatever day you're watching. Whatever day you're watching this video on. How was it? How was today? Good? Bad? Hope it wasn't bad. Okay. Well, now I got some really cute pink. Would you go show this to them?
You want me to close up? You want me to give them a close up of that?
Yes.
Okay, here I come in for the close up.
It's close up.
Ooh, look at that. What? Oh no, there's the close up. Now the trick is the handoff. Oh, nice. Usually it sticks. Today it did not. That means
it's
a good
slime.
batch.
Okay, so we're gonna put this in container. Let me get it. This is messy over here.
Yeah, let me get this out of the way.
Oh,
Are we done with this one for now? Oh,
it sounds like farts.
it doesn't smell like fart.
And it smells like glue.
Yep.
Okay, so now we're gonna make another one. We're gonna be making, it's like a cornstarch conditioner. So basically, add some cornstarch. I'll do like a couple. I'll do like a 1 tablespoon. I'll do 1 tablespoon of cornstarch.
Okay. I find this one to be the hardest one. You know what? I have to go get some paper towels.
Last time I did it worked.
You
So
know
now
what?
you're gonna add some conditioner. Probably like 1 squirt or 2. 1 or 2. Ooh, I'm gonna do a little bit. Gotta mix with a pen. Oh, no, I'm just joking. I'll mix with this. Okay, I'm just gonna mix. See how this turns out. I don't know. Will this work? Will it work, guys? Hope so.
Good, I brought the paper towels. It's even more important than the shaving cream around here.
Shaving cream is the best.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, I got some.
Whoa!
Good thing I didn't break. I mean, not break, but go everywhere. Yeah, okay, this is coming together. Good. I'll try to mix it now.
So we, oh,
I think I'm gonna have to take
we have
a
a
shower.
tattoo.
Shower! I love showers. Oh no.
Yeah. Oh no.
Can you give me some cornstarch?
What do we need? Yeah,
Cornstarch.
hold on. Let's
Oh,
wait a second. Here it is. Pardon my reach.
Pour it into my hands.
All right.
please.
You ready?
Mhm.
Here we go.
Just pour it in the bowl. Thank you.
Is that enough?
Mhm.
Okay.
Are you going to get the pizza?
Pizza, pizza, pizza. Pizza, pizza, pizza.
A lot going on here this afternoon.
This one is kind of working for me.
Patience. So you need to be patient with it.
Really patient with this one.
So it's really just cornstarch and air conditioner for this one.
I mean,
That's all there is?
what's air conditioner?
Oh, hair conditioner.
Oh, I thought you said
I
air.
know, sorry. It did kind of sound like air. I meant hair.
This is, I got a good,
That's getting there.
you can add some more.
Yep.
You need a lot of
Cornstarch.
cornstarch.
Whoa. Shake off what you don't need.
I need all of it.
You think?
You think? It's coming together.
Oh my goodness.
No.
Hotline.
Ring, 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 ring.
Let me get rid of that noise.
Ring, 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 ring. Don't go.
Hello?
Hello?
Yes. Why on the cell phone?
9 minutes. This is good. My colors are green. Oh, guys, sorry. Also, you can also add conditioner. I mean, not conditioner. Food coloring optional. It actually depends on what color your conditioner is. That's what color it will turn when you mix. Mine was like a light green, so mine's like a light green. I might have to wash my hands. Actually, I would have to go wash my hands right now. Not right now, but I do have to because this is messy and sticky. No, it's not sticky, but the results of it, if it worked for you, they're really good. It's like a butter slime. Boo. Be right back. I'm gonna go wash my hands.
Lara,
Washing my hands.
hey, what?
Washing my hands.
Oh no, we on hold on the video?
No, we're not holding them.
Oh boy, this is gonna be a long video.
And leave the door open so you don't get steamy in here.
Sounds good.
Okay, I'm back.
All right, the slime master is back.
Slime time.
Slime master.
This is my favorite.
Oh, look at such progress since I left and answered the phone. Very
This is a good slime.
impressive. Yeah.
Last one, dun dun dun, is
Oh.
clear.
Well, that's my favorite. That's my
Clear and
favorite. Get rid
easy,
of
simple.
it. Out of the way. Are you okay using this as the stir for the clear?
Okay.
It helps to clean up as you go.
Okay. So, the clear recipes is on the back. I can't stop playing with this.
Wow.
Mwah. Love you. I love this slime. Okay, I'm gonna keep this. I need a container for
It
it.
has a little container somewhere. Yep. You're good.
Chandelier.
Okay.
Okay, so got a container. Bottle time. So you're gonna need some Elmer's School clear glue.
Oh boy, who put that on last?
Me.
I'm gonna smell
So
this.
you need a half cup clear glue.
Half a cup. You gotta measure? Because if you want to, there's a half a cup. Oh, baby, it comes out fast. There it is.
I can't. Oh my god. Okay.
You put it in here.
But it.
There you go.
Mixer.
Waha! The weapon of choice.
I'm gonna make my clear slime green.
How are we doing? Oh, wait. Wait, what's this? Before adding activator, you have to do the coloring. That's right. Okay. What about the warm water and the baking
I
soda?
know I have to do this first because I want mine to be green. This is for you. This is for you, boys. If you like green.
And the Irish, I guess.
Because all the girly pops like pink
Mm-hmm.
and purple. Maybe blue.
You like green?
Me?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I like green too. My favorite color is blue though. This is like a good green. Look at that.
It's good green. I'd agree.
Okay. Now what's the next one?
Half a cup warm water and then a half a teaspoon
cup.
baking soda. I don't know if you want to put the whole half cup in there or
Let's put the
baking soda in that.
no.
What?
Let's put the baking soda in the water.
Correct.
baking soda. So get your baking soda, put it in the water, and mix it up until it dissolves.
And it looks like you need half a teaspoon. What a friend's for. There you go. Nice trick. And that's the done. Ooh, good
I
catch.
just put it. Okay.
Got it.
Actually,
Well, you might use it to stir. It's a good idea. Because then if you still don't use all, ooh, little bubble.
Oh, I see that bubble.
Yeah, I don't know where that's from.
Oh,
That's weird.
look at the slime bubble. I think I got everything.
Yeah, I don't see any clumps. You're good.
Drop. I'll do a little bit. Only do like half of it.
Yeah, but
Oh, what's happening?
that's good. I get nervous with all the water.
Okay. Okay. Now you got a mixie. Mix, 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 mix. Oh my god, thank you guys so much for subscribing. I got 65 subscribers.
Ooh. Looking for 100.
Close.
Let's get 100 at least by the end of the year.
Yeah.
Maybe by
Next
Halloween.
one is...
Solution.
What is
The
it?
activator. 2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons.
Activator.
2.
That would be this one. Woohoo!
2.
Go for it.
Wow. Go, go, go. Okay, I think
That's 1. When we dump it,
pour it. Yay.
1. And 2. Okay, work your magic. Do it.
It's kind of being gloppy. Oh, I can see it.
It's getting there. Takes a little bit.
It looks like beggars.
It looks like Ghostbuster slime.
Should I mix it?
Yes.
Like if I should.
You're clever.
Yeah.
Don't forget to like if you want Riley to mix.
Don't forget to like the video. If you don't know what the like is, it's like a thumbs up. You gotta give me lots of thumbs ups.
Thumbs up, baby.
I got it.
Oh, see? Look at that. Almost looks like chewing gum.
Sticky. And it's not. It's not sticky.
Oh, boy.
It looks sticky, but it's not.
Ooh.
Boogers, ew, ew. Boogers, 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 boogers.
Boogers and green, they kind of go together.
Say boogers 10 times. Boogers, boogers. I can't say it.
Boogers, 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 boogers. That's 10
I want to
times.
show you guys. Can you listen?
Yeah.
Thank
Close
you.
up.
Girly pop.
There you go.
Ooh. Do you guys want me to do some ASMR? Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna get you close.
What are you doing?
ASMR.
Oh.
Ready? I'll do.
Whoa.
Yeah, I love doing this. This is a great ASMR. Keep going like this, like this, like this, and then go like in a swirl. Awesome! Dun dun dun! Kind of looks like a butter. Ready? Achoo! Okay. I literally love quiz time. It's my favorite.
Say what?
Quiz time's my favorite.
thought you said it's leprechaun slime.
Well,
Could be.
okay, so now we're gonna put this in the container. Oh, guys, can I show you something? I made this clear slime. It's like a rainbow one. It's so cool.
Super cool.
So, I was like thinking. I was watching YouTube, and I was like, until I was like watching, like, yeah, this is good. Yeah. Until I saw this rainbow idea, and I let it sit for a couple days. It dried out, but it's still good. It's like a decoration.
It's pretty cool.
It's like mixed. Go real close up. Mixed. This part feels kind of good. It's kind of like for to squish. Kind of looks like a rainbow tongue.
That's funny.
Oh, now this is our mascot. His name is Mr. Snow Bear. His name is Mr. Nancy. Mr. Peter. Mr. Peter.
This is Mr. Peter's butt.
Mr. Peter. Say hi to Mr. Peter. Thank you guys so much for watching. We had a great time.
Bye.
Bye. Make sure you like, subscribe, and see you guys next time. Bye.